right back where it started. And looking back,
Oh, you're fine. Get excited.
carry all our scars, but not in vain. Drawn my own conclusions and realizing I'm seeing through them. I can't get it out, this picture in my mind. And now that
A friend of Mike and Kelly's who couldn't make it today wrote a poem for the couple called The One. Most people spend their lives searching for just the right one, the person that will make them feel whole and complete. Then one day it happens. This person shows up who's perfect for you. Your heart skips a beat and is never the same because once touched by real love, everything changes. You start making plans on how to build a life, even move across state lines, just to make a place to have alone time. Because your person brings you peace, no matter how bad the day, they lessen your pain. There's nothing in the world that you wouldn't do for them. Through happy days and the hard ones too, your love will grow, stronger and helping gone to last. That's why we search for the one to make us whole. Love is the answer to all of life's questions, and you've found it together. What a wonderful blessing. May your years be long and happy and true.
This color, this flavor, this sound, this is Mike and Kelly's life, and you are part of it. You are all here because you love Mike and Kelly. Cheers.
You lived up to every word. You were the coolest motherfucker. Not even like bro, sister, none of that shit. Like fucking family. Best man. To my new sister, you are truly a wonderful human and woman and a complete savage. No one could have picked a better partner for him. Kelly, our family welcomes you and your family with open arms.
Oh my God.
come with me, life worth living, reimagine all we've been given, bury all our troubles in the past.
Holy fuck, we did it!
And the symbolic exchange of wedding bands in front of all present, I now pronounce Mike and Kelly, husband and wife. You may kiss.